Avoid shaving in the opposite direction of your hair growth. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It is Onyinye here. If you're new, you're highly welcome. In today's video, according to the title, you guys already know what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be doing what? Talking about how to shave correctly to avoid bumps, any type of bump at all. Okay, so let's jump right into it. If you're new, you're highly welcome. On this channel, we discuss self-care, skincare, and the general, well-being of the feminine body. And if that sounds like what you love, please do me the honors of subscribing. Okay, you guys, I am one of the ambassadors of shaving bumps. I am their ambassador. Like, I have bumps, bad bumps whenever I shave down there. Okay, I love waxing under my armpits. I love to wax there, but I have not still gathered the courage to go to any spa, open my leg wide, and allow them wax me. Although some people say you can actually do it yourself, but the hair that grows down there is so coarse. It is so strong that I know that if I go there, if they pull on that hair, oh, I'll go to my ancestors and come back. So I'm not doing that for a very, very long time. I've been avoiding anybody that tells me, let's go for Brazilian wax, let's go and wax. Please, maybe in the future I'm going to give it a try, but for now I can't. Whenever I remember, because the kind of pain I feel when I wax my armpits, I know that I'm going to feel times 10 or times 100 or whatever I'm feeling my armpits down there. Okay, so if you are in the category that waxes and you don't get bumps, because I hear that waxing down there, yeah, actually waxing generally you will not get any bumps. So yeah, this video is not for you. First of all, you need your shaving beak. I hear that the ones that shaving beaks that has like 4 razors, 5 razors are actually better. So if you can get that one, that's good. But I hear that those ones are actually more expensive. So yeah, now I don't have a lot of hair to use and explain to you guys, but we're going to make this video work. Okay, so please work with me. Okay, you shave in the direction of the hair growth. Now after shaving, use your scrub, your sugar scrub. Okay, you can get any type of scrub. This is for my body, a body brightening body brightening scrub, but this is a very, very soft. The kind of bristles or the kind of beads they use are so tiny. Okay, but you can make a sugar scrub at home, or if you have a sugar scrub, that's nice, that's good. Yeah, then you scrub there. Please avoid the inside of your vagina, just the top, the upper areas. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, now you gently scrub there, exfoliate gently. Don't go and be doing like bricklayer. Gently and rinse off. Now you are done rinsing off. You either have a Vaseline or an aloe vera gel or even an oil. Okay, but I recommend this. This is very, very more active, more potent. Yeah, that's the word. This is more potent, but if you don't have it, you can actually get aloe vera gel. You will need to have it. This is very, very affordable. It's not so expensive. You can even get the smaller size. Yeah, so when you're done, you're out of the shower, you're done shaving and scrubbing down there. Now you take your Vaseline. If you have a Vaseline, you just take it. There are so many things this Vaseline can do. If you have a Vaseline, please stop underestimating Vaseline. You can use Vaseline to moisturize. You can use Vaseline to soften your lips. You can use Vaseline to remove you can use this to double cleanse. You can use this to remove your makeup. Okay, yeah, you can use this to treat wounds. You can use Vaseline to those parts when you are on your period and that wearing pads are always dry. You always feel dry down there. You can apply Vaseline around those areas that the skin is getting irritated and all of that. Vaseline is such good. Get the original one. This is the one I'm talking about, not any other type, and it is so gentle on the skin. Yeah, so anyways, you apply this on the areas that you normally get bumps. And yeah, this aloe vera gel, I've been using this for the past few months now. My sister was the person that put me on, and due to the kind of sensitive skin I have, I always get bumps, 1 or 2 bumps each time I shave. But you know, since I started shaving correctly, it has reduced drastically. So avoid shaving in the opposite direction of your hair growth. That causes the skin to just move, the hair under the skin to move in the wrong direction and just tangle up, thereby causing, you know, that bumps and all of that. And the bumps are so painful. You always need to pull, and if you see any bumps that might be there, please just bend down and take tweezers and take out the hairs from there. Yeah, it is painful, but it's going to tingle just for a few seconds, and that's it. So this is the last one that you need in this routine. Apply the aloe vera gel around there. Please avoid the opening of your feminine place, okay? Avoid it. Just the places that you shaved, and then allow that place to breathe. Stop wearing tight things all the time. If you're not on your period, you don't have any business wearing tight. In fact, find very comfortable panties. If you can even throw the panties away, throw it away. Wear it only on your period, okay? Yeah, that's basically it for this video. Let me know other things that you do to avoid, you know, bumps down there that can also help me, because I have a very sensitive skin, and I'm open to what your suggestions as well. Yeah, and that brings us to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Bye bye.